Fabulous Zone say need that con ewo yen chen ha say ni akwa.
Enua.
And then say program kese pa na ebe abekọ so Congress kotoko titiro fo nyina baby. Mpacho expectations ne information am wo ma fans no and anything.
Me name that say the only say National Circles Council, yeah, Congress, and the highest decision making body for every Kotoko supporter across the globe. And yaba say whatever decision you ever take over, it binds everybody. So long as you remain a Kotoko supporter, it binds you. And we are expecting say we will take some decisions via Ebeboa Club, that is one. And decision we take Ebeboa Club, it means it was to be taking decisions ever protecting the current administration, be it the board and the management. And we are expecting say you better take good decisions Ebeboa ever protecting the image, the good image of Asante Kotoko. We'll propagate the good work the club is doing, and then we'll make sure say the good news of the club is being spread across. And say we expect because supporters in now no more kasa. Obi say young train no more Congress imra. What do you think the supporters are expecting? They are expecting say about taking favorable decisions So we are here, and there are a whole lot of things going on out there, and we are expecting say na and then we in Congress here bibia
Okay, that's a power of honor. Now, one thing about Uncle for number community bisa say why Koforidua? Why the decision to come to Koforidua?
In our constitution, no specific say a Congress will be held at a particular place. Under normal circumstance, and I was said this year Congress to me, like I was saying no Accra because the home no Accra because of the cost of Bayaranti. Which means most of our matches no Accra into Anka Yen Yepa and Kakaso Yafamra Accra. But National Chairman Orban Christopher Demenya can say or be rotating Congress all the regions in the country. So the Bayer supporters to be the feel of whatever we are doing. You don't stay at one place and say you are manager or you are controlling each and every supporter. Move to the doorsteps of the supporters, let them know what you are about, what you want to do, and then that will motivate them to get close to you. And me in particular, I'm happy. Congress was Suhumda, Yayabi Otakradeda, Yayabi Wakra, Yayabi Osunyane. So it tells you say just that sometimes we feel say ebia team no wo Kumasi into Congress no and normally Kumasi by the call baby outside Kumasi enya news.
Okay, you better as a pan need that o mra we nyama aha the Fabulous Zone need that and I'm saying or the expectations from today's Congress abrain